Let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time, so let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
Alright, Aaron, where are we going today? CoSi. Yeah. We're going to the CoSi. We're at the museum. We're at
the museum?
Are we at the museum?
That's what you just said, didn't you? We're at the museum.
Okay. We're going to the museum. This is our nice relaxing museum day. We had a relaxing morning. It's 9:45.
We were up really late last night.
Oh, we were up till like past 1 a.m. Yeah, it was nuts. And then we woke up early, and then we went back to bed, and now we're up again, and now we're off again to Columbus for, I don't know, morning, early afternoon. We'll see how long it takes us to fully enjoy the two museums here. Right, Froggy and it?
I'm Froggy Jr.
Oh, right, Froggy Jr. and Froggy? Bless you. Oh, that's funny. They already have the water thing going this early.
It's hot.
Oh, yeah, it'll be a warm one again.
It's gonna be an air-conditioned museum most of the day.
Yep.
Or an air-conditioned car.
I agree. Stop it. Can you do Air Force One?
Not just any kind of water, it is actually water. To make a fog, you need three things. You need water. For it to freeze to a particle you can actually see, you need something for it to gather around before it freezes. That's dust. And we need cold. So, guys, you know what? There's plenty of water in the air, because of all the rain we've had. But I like to make sure we have enough. So every time we breathe out, we actually exhale a little bit of water. So we're going to go like this. Yes, do that this way. Yes, there's some dust in the air, but make sure we have enough. Stop your feet. Let's raise some dust. Come on, everybody stop your feet. Everybody stop your feet. Come on, stop your feet. Okay, that's good. Now, we need coal. Who brought coal? You have any coal, sir? Yeah, I need freezing coal. You brought your coal. No coal in your backpack? Sir, do you have any coal in your backpack? No? Oh. Anybody else have coal? No? Oh, okay, well I brought some in. What I have in this container is liquid nitrogen. It is minus 320 degrees below zero.
See, that's what
So I'm going to pour it out on the floor. We'll have our cloud. Please stay on that side of the chain for a moment so I pull the chain up. Alright, so ready? Let's take it from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go, guys. Thanks for coming. Enjoy CoSi today.
Interesting start to the museum. It's like a long corridor. Whoa, a long, very bright corridor. There we go. It looks like we were walking into the sun. You're gonna see what's at the end of the hallway. It looks like it's a planetarium show, maybe? Yeah, we'll find out.
It's Froggy Jr. missions.
Hi guys, what's your names? The green one looks a little shy. I'll ask you first. What's your name?
My name.
Oh, he's very shy.
My name is It.
It?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. We know another It with the same attitude.
Really?
Yeah, we do.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Hey, wow, look at you. You're like frozen stiff. What's your name, little guy? Oh, he looks like he wants to talk. He can't. He doesn't have a voice. He's trying to talk. I don't know if he has laryngitis or what. Come on, you can do it. Cough it up. It looks like you have a hairball. Your name is? Oh. Say, what's your name, buddy? What?
He's so shy.
Yes, he is. I think he wants a hamburger for lunch. That's what I think. What's your name, buddy? Whoa, he looks like you're like flying. He hates this so much he just wants to fly away.
Wow. You're impressive.
Here he goes.
What's your name?
Superman, it looks like.
I gotta hear you speak louder. Oh, I think he said his name is Froggy. Am I correct?
He does. Okay, I can see that. You look like a froggy. All right, Froggy. Why don't you sit up straight so I can see you? I want to see your face. Don't put your hands up. I'm not the police.
Are you gonna arrest us?
I just said I'm not a police officer. But yeah, all right.
I love to sing.
Do you love to sing? Oh no, he's
No one is watching. Don't be so shy. I
Okay.
love you.
Can you say okay, Froggy? Can you just sit up and just wave goodbye to the people? That's not waving goodbye.
That's not sitting up. That's bending down.
Okay, can you wave your one arm? Oh, there you go. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Or should you want to put it on it? Where do you think it should go?
Do you want them to be close together like that? That would be cute. Or maybe far apart? Yeah.
You put the eyes
So there's no nose. That's cute. I like that. What kind of hair is it going to use? Or a hat? Or maybe another...
You can put it on.
Yeah, I think...
Nose would fit
yeah.
actually.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
That's funny. Don't eat your nose.
How about a hat? A hat or hair? Is it a boy or a girl? I wonder, because it looks like a boy, but if
What
you
if
put...
girl hair on
Oh yeah, that's a girl. Well, it's a masculine girl, but it's a girl.
it? Well, what if we put pink?
Oh, there we go. That's a butch girl.
Let's take our picture with her.
Alright, hold on. Say you wear the yarmulke over it. And I don't think girls wear yarmulkes. I think it's just dudes.
That is a beard.
Oh, with the curly silver hair?
Why not?
Yeah, I guess, yeah, that's true. Alright, put it away so the next kid can... the next kid.
Right, I'm all like slimy.
You know what? Aaron didn't really grow up with Sesame Street at all.
But the Muppet.
Well, the Muppets, of course. It's really, that's actually the count. Here's actually Bert and Ernie. I mean, there's more than one of them, but this is one that Jim Henson and Frank Oz both use. That's really freaking cool. And I just showed you the wormy scene. And now we're going into the Muppet Show area. If there's nothing else at the CoSi that's cool, at least we got this. Oh! Beaker and Professor
Bunsen Honeydew.
Bunsen Honeydew. All right. The Muppet Show is so good. They really need to revive the original format. I heard that they're going to, and they made one in London, but they really need to revive the original format for Muppet Show, don't they? Oh, you're gonna like the next film. Oh, and there's Spraggles over there. Cool. The Dark Crystal movie. I think this is from, I don't know. Probably Dark Crystal, because I don't recognize it from Labyrinth.
3D, it's an interesting process, and I have not worked in it before, but I really am enjoying it. We looked at a lot of 3D films to try to see what works.
That's so cool.
When we originally set up to do this, what we wanted to do is try to figure out all the 3D gimmicks that you can do, and then figure out a way to put them all into one short film.
That was 2 minutes?
I guess so.
Dang, that felt like it was only 20 seconds. I'm like, that can't be it. That is cool. The floor is a little soft. Yeah. What? Oh. I didn't know. For a second I thought it was a ride. I was like, what? For a second I thought it was a submarine ride. It's like a what? I got excited prematurely. It's still cool though. You okay? You're falling in? Alright.
It's really far deep.
Yeah, I know. It was deeper.
It looks like it's that deep, and then you go there and it's like, whoa.
Why don't you sit in?
Go put an arm in it. Is that crazy?
There's a cute thing around the corner I want to show you. Hi, my name is Billy.
So just like we affect our watersheds affect us too. We're all here. Water that has been treated, used, and returned to our natural water sources. It makes its trip downstream to the ocean. Watersheds are everywhere.
Unfortunately, they do.
Are you watching? Who's here? No? Oh, dog.
Good job, guys.
Is the area
There are two of you or just one? I think it's just one. It's just a refraction of the water. Maybe there's two. Weird. I'll have to ask two people smarter than me. Yeah, it is. I have a feeling like at 15 and 45, Caesar's Palace puts on a show right here. Although this is nicer. It sucks that I have my, I don't have my glasses. I kind of broke them on the first day of the trip. But from a distance, I thought that said meatballs in motion. I had to come closer to see it say molecules. Yeah, I need to go see a eye care guy. Or gal.
Oh yeah, so before nobody was playing with this one.
Yeah.
So this water stream was like perfect like this. And then aimed it perfectly at that one. So then it disrupted it and both of them were just like...
Like what? Don't cross the streams. You never cross the streams. Yeah.
That's cool.
It is. Those two are competing with other kids to play, get water in there. It's really, really cute how all of us love the same things. We love amusement parks and we love museums.
Got it?
Pull it. Pull down.
Pull it.
He's not.
Pull it.
I'm trying. You can pull too.
What? Don't let go! Don't let go! We're lifting a car. Yeah, that's right. We're lifting a car.
Whoa.
We're strong. We lifted a car.
Just talk. Of course you guys aren't hearing anything because it only works like directly in the center. Try another one. Grab a ball. kind of easy, huh? Well, yeah, it's on the easy side. There's really no wrong turn.
Like that low.
We'll actually yell into it. Right here.
Right here.
Louder.
Here, head down.
Hello? Anyone home? This is the gas. Oh, this one, I guess. There you go.
A lot of boys in my family, and it was often that
Oh, that's neat.
what girls think that I did. My way of rebelling against that was wearing
Whoa! Whoa, that's a tight,
Just look around.
Yeah, I know, but still, you can pretend like you're driving. Oh, or you don't have to.
Unicorns do it. Prove it. Be that unicorn.
Be that unicorn. Cool.
Here's Charlie, and she is a Japanese black-hooded rat. So they get their names because of the beautiful black fur they have on their back. And a little bit about rat basketball here at CoSi. CoSi started rat basketball 30 years ago, and we've actually had a lot of museums around the world come here to learn how we train our rats to play basketball. It's pretty cool. So, this game is actually just a one-on-one, Charlie against her sister Delta. But they are still getting ready for the game, so I'm going to put her back so she can keep warming up. Alright.
Woo, let's go!
Charlie takes the ball.
All right.
And it's currently a tied game.
Oh, no. All right, Delta. Oh, again.
Delta's in the lead. But it's still anyone's game.
Oh.
Charlie just
Delta in the lead.
Get it again. Oh, yeah.
Ну вот, она может не пойти в лес.
And there's about 3 seconds left.
Oh! Tie game. Get it? Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and woohoo! Delta!
Charlie, our second place.
Yay!
Lost to Delta, our winner.
Woohoo!
Alright, thank you guys for coming to CoSi Rap Basketball. Hope you guys have fun. If you guys have any questions, I'll be up here.
That's really. Oops. Oops, I'm recording a video, so say hi.
Hi, I'm a rat.
And you're doing what?
Playing tennis for
Let's see.
Because you're not directly.
I don't think so.
You're not directly looking at it with your eye.
Just keep the video still. Is it moving for people at home? I don't know, I can't tell.
Now, Mommy really wants to move to Cincinnati, and then she'll drive up here to be in a potato
study. Are you 20 pounds overweight? Can you eat potatoes for 4 weeks straight? We'll give you $300 if you can.
Look at me. Abigail, you're doing fine. You're doing great, Abigail. You're already halfway there. I barely sat down. Keep going, Abigail. Abigail, look at you. Gotta keep going. Keep telling. You're not gonna go off the end. Just pretend like you're looking at the back of your head. Abigail, you're doing great. Just keep it up. Keep going, Abigail.
That's cute.
Keep going. You're doing fine, Abigail. You're actually almost there. Can you go back a little bit more for me?
Alright, let somebody else do it, bud.
This looks familiar.
It does. Yeah, cool.
Hello? Hello? Speak up, please. I can't hear you. Oh, Edward, this new telephone is not working.
Cool. Wow.
Said we're in 1950 at CoSi. It's like it's just like when you were.
Oh, focus. Do it again.
The question.
B.
I said R.
Oh, well. That's pretty cool. Don't tap on it. You push it forward with the... Yeah, like that. What? Have mommy do it. She'll show you. It's just like you did when you were a kid. Oh, you got it. Is that the right? No, it's not. Yeah, there you go. Well, apparently there's a basement level to the CoSi Museum that we didn't know about. Nope. Okay. Alright. Push hard. We're here. See, now we... Yeah, we did. We're actually down in the basement now.
No, you can see through it.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't know. See? It's funny. Look. I really thought we were going somewhere.
See?
Yeah, I tried tricking them. How did you get her to talk? Oh. Well, you don't get to see her sing, sorry.
I can't really play it on here. There's not enough notes.
Yeah. There's a duck building game that Aaron should play. Uh-huh. This is Aaron's duck that the toy he built.
We're gonna go in 5 minutes.
What? That's last time I got to test them. Do that again.
Oh no! What'd you do? That's cool. How are you doing that? You just draw something and it shows up on the floor. Neat.
What are you...
Get over to the side. Oh, because Daddy has you tiny.
Alright, final thoughts on the CoSi Museum?
It was good.
That's good. What was your favorite?
It was better than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Bless you.
We're almost there from rope drop to last game.
Yeah.
Only 2 more hours. We could have stayed there longer too.
Yeah, we could have. Well, because we still have to go to another museum.
Yep.
Outer Worlds, Outer Limits.
Other world.
Other World, that's what
Outer
it is.
World.
Well, I don't know, that's close. So, alright. Yeah, I enjoyed it too. My favorite part was the Poseidon part, or the oceans. Yeah, and Jim Henson. They were both awesome. Okay, off we go. Here's an abandoned Target. And now we're traveling to
abandoned office next.
An abandoned
everything over there. So wait, there's an extreme trampoline, I think.
Oh, is there? No, it's closed.
Oh, that's cool.
Really? And then there's Otherworld in a strip mall. In a dead strip mall.
Maybe I'll do this to the one on Rand and Palatine.
Well, I don't know. I've got a bad feeling about this.
This is creepy.
Yeah. Why do you think it's creepy?
Because like all the stores are closed. Except for Otherworld.
And Mommy says the trampoline place is open, but I don't think so. And Mommy was saying, well, there's a lot of cars in the parking lot, so it probably is good. And I said, no, there's a lot of cars going to monster truck rallies too. That doesn't make it good.
There's a car from Kentucky and a car from Indiana.
Yeah, and we're a car from Illinois, so it must be good. They're just a bunch of suckers like us.
Found it, so it must be
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Now but I'm regretting my finding. We'll see how bad I messed up. We are inside. Make our first steps into whatever this is going to be. Alright, go ahead.
Why don't I see you?
That is weird. Stay out of the doorway, bud. Yeah, I don't know.
There's like this room where there's like skateboarders.
We're just relaxing on beanbags in this weird room at the Otherworld.
Otherworld, and the abandoned strip mall that you saw.
I'm glad we came though now.
Yeah, even if I don't see anywhere room, this is worth it.
Well, I don't know if worth it's the right word, but it's really cool.
It's so squishy. It's so squishy.
What? We'll just wait. Hey, Aaron. Want to go ahead through here? I don't know. Oh, we're going under a bed. That's neat. The monster's under the bed. That's where you go in the next room. We did it backwards. We should have went through the... Yeah. Oh, Shannon. Shannon. don't think you... Oh! You go into the game. That's cool. We do Tron style. This is so cool.
Roll up through and start dating after.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. We'll eventually see them all.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this video is gonna end up being like an hour or something. That's gonna be the two most common phrases. What's this room? And this is weird. What the? It's okay, it's okay. This is fine. Yeah.
Your shirt's giving black and white.
Yeah.
Your shirt, look at your shirt. That's usually red, that's black and white. Do we look like we're in
Weird. Can you hit those symbols? Yeah, hit a symbol. Oh wow.
garage and booked by its parking lot.
Just let me know.
I made it to the other side. To the other world.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was recording you do it.
It's like a Tron motorcycle.
I don't know. We're all readjusting to the harsh daylight
And reality.
and reality. That was a lot of fun. Maybe go back in like a few years. They change rooms and stuff. I mean, it was fun, but that was a lot of fun. There was a lot of rooms. I think we missed one or two of them.
Not sure.
Yeah.
But it's, I don't know, it's kind of, I thought we would be in there a lot longer than we were, but that's fine.
Yeah. What do you think, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Well, what was your question?
What do you think of the museum? Or I don't know if museums are
Art installation.
Art installation.
I like it.
Nice. I liked it as well. And you probably saw enough of it, you can form your own opinion. Now we're on the road. We're going to Washington, I guess? Well, yeah, actually we are.
Washington to go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay. And we're heading towards Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
Heading towards
We're
Pittsburgh.
stopping at Jefferson.
We're stopping at Jefferson and Washington. Alright. Alrighty, we're in Pennsylvania now. We drove through West Virginia, which freaked Mommy out because she didn't think we were going through West Virginia, so she thought I gave her bad directions, which was entirely possible, but I checked. Oh, yeah. It is very pretty. But anyway, now we're taking back road. I told you to put that off. It's okay. Yeah, pretty mountains. I guess this is what Pennsylvania is going to look like, so I'm okay with that. It's a weird way to get to our hotel, but whatever.
Well, it is like Kenny was in the country.
Yeah. Spoiler.
Well, I think anyways. It seemed like it. I mean, it's not a river. I don't know. This is a weird way to get to our hotel a lot. We've been to weirder places. Like
in a quarter mile, slide right onto Pennsylvania 136 East.
Very pretty start to our Pennsylvania adventure. Yeah, because we're going to be in Pennsylvania, I think, for 5 days.
At least.
Yeah. Through the 4th.
I'm gonna stop actually.
Okay. It was super important for Mommy to stop at
a really nice waitress. Her name was Maura. Maybe she'll see this on YouTube one day, but yeah, maybe not.
Maybe not, but we tipped her
50%.
Well, you didn't have to say the number.
Oh, sorry.
But we tipped her well, yes. Because she was really good, actually.
She gave us 12 cookies for free.
Hey, don't get shit. No, you don't say that because then she might get in trouble. So she didn't. We paid double the price. So she made she made her store a lot of money. So yeah, be proud of that. And now, yeah, I'll get ice cream. There's a cute little ice cream stand
Sugar
up here.
And spice ice cream.
Is that it? It's like literally right here. Oh, okay, then I'll just keep the video rolling. Yeah, it looks like a cute little ice cream spot.
Cake and candy supplies.
That's weird.
Open all year.
Alright. Yeah, I don't like this ice cream. I still don't like it. This is very good ice cream, even though Aaron doesn't care for the smiley cookie too much. Well, you better suck it up and eat them all because you gotta live in more where that comes from.
Alright, so we are at this local gas station, I guess, where they have to use Z's at the end of everything because they got sheets, fries, coffees. Oh wait, breakfast is just breakfast though, it's not breakfast. Melts, salads, toasted subs. Everything ends with what? Sheets. Alright, let's go get something to drink.
Okay.
Okay. Today we're at the Econo Lodge in what town? Shelbyville?
Jeffersonville?
Yeah, something like that. Just outside Pittsburgh. We're about, what, you say 8 miles away? 10 miles? 12?
8.8 miles away from Kennywood.
Cool.
18 minutes.
And this is one of the nicest rooms we've had on the trip so far.
And don't forget to show them
Oh yeah, this cool little map.
that we've been, well, at least Jason and I have been playing license plate game.
Aaron has been at times, but yeah, we've got 30 out of the 50, including Ontario, so we have 31 total unique license plates so far, but we still got plenty of time to get to the other ones. Hello. All right, let's get in the position and talk about today. Get in the position and talk about today. Get in position and talk about today. All right, today's, like we say, front and center.
Close up, extreme close up.
Good day, nice relaxing. We at the museum.
The funny thing is, yeah, it's relaxing, but
what? It's probably almost 10.
It's 9:40.
Yeah. So that's our version of a relaxing day. We drove quite a bit. We went through Columbus. We saw the 2 museums in that area that we wanted to see. Hello. And now we're outside Pittsburgh.
Is that second thing really a museum?
Yeah, it was more like a. I think they call it a museum, but it's more like a interactive art piece. I don't even know how to describe it.
Art installation.
Yeah, an art installation. It's pretty cool. As you saw. Tomorrow's Kennywood, and we
Aaron, what do you think about today?
I liked it.
What was your favorite part?
I don't know.
Think about it. Alright, come back to that. Kennywood is on the docket for tomorrow. We were going to try to hit 2 museums in Pittsburgh as well, but that's all dependent on how Kennywood goes. If we want to just stay there the whole time, we might spend 2 days in Pittsburgh, or we might just spend 1 day, who knows. But we have until 4 o'clock tomorrow to decide whether or not we have to stay, because that's when we can cancel our room for tomorrow.
And tomorrow, if we decide to move ahead, we'll be in Altoona, Pennsylvania by the end of the night.
We don't like fish though.
It's not fish, it's Altoona, not to be confused with albacore, albacans.
No, it's just Alba tuna. Alright, anyway. Aaron, favorite thing about today? Bad joke is over. You're making the runtime even
Let me
longer.
see.
Sorry, I don't know.
He didn't like the cookies. He didn't like his Penny.
Penny.
He didn't like, wait, he liked his hot dog at the museum, right?
Uh-huh.
He liked playing with those balls outside.
Yeah, outside the museum.
I think.
Alright, they saw what we like and doesn't like. So let's just wrap this up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Aaron, press the button.
Robert!